There was a CBS special telling everybody about the hard drives. All your machines are located, see this little barrel down at the bottom, right-hand corner. So whatever they copy, if they want to come in and copy their taxes or whatever, it's gone as soon as they do it. Because this little barrel tells you that it has a DOS data overwrite. So what it's doing is, if I make a copy, it writes it onto the hard drive, and then what this barrel does is the data overwrite will overwrite it 3 or 4 times, maybe even 9 times, on that little piece that the hard drive is written on, and it'll put O's and 1s to where. Right. Right. So that hard drive has been rewritten over multiple times, to where it takes more than a couple of people to get it. With this double tray down at the bottom, I don't see too many others with it, but notice this is a split tray. While this machine is printing, if it is printing from the bottom tray, notice how tray 3 says it's on the right side, it's empty, because it's pulled out. You can actually pull it out while it's printing, and it'll still print from that side.
Why didn't we get those trays on the black and white ones?
Good question.
What you always want to do is,
I didn't know we had that option.
even if both sides are empty, you want to push this tray back in, load this side. Always load the left side. You never want to load the right. When you push the tray in, it's going to make a whole bunch of noise, then it's going to push this stack over if this is completely empty. Okay? Let the machine do it. Reason being is, this sensor right here is probably one of the most sensitive sensors on the machine. If it has 2 pieces of paper sticking out, it can stick out, and then it's just going to say load paper, load paper. And then you're going to wonder why. You're going to look at it and say it has paper. It's very tight, so just let the machine do it, and it'll move it all over. When you have this pushed in, it's very easy to stack and push up against the wall. And then this just pushes it over, and the machine does it all. Then when you're finished, when this is all completely moved over, you can reopen this tray and load the side. Okay? Correctly. That is the correct way of doing it. Because the other ways, it's just going to give you some trouble.
Since it'll be a year before we go through all that paper, all that color.